Good morning, everyone. My name is John Matthew Mantras, and I'm honored to stand before you as the president of the Blair Bartenders Club. Alongside me is our dedicated and passionate advisor, Ms. Mary Grace Porceso, and who has played an essential role in guiding our club and nurturing the talent of our members. Today, it is a pride and excitement that I welcome you and share a glimpse of a vibrant world of the Blair Bartenders Club. A legacy that has been daring, shaking, and shining for more than 20 years. We are more than just a club. We are a community of creative, disciplined, and highly skilled young bartenders who are passionate about the art of flair bartending and the science of mixology. With every toss of a bottle, we aim to express not just technique, but personality, performance, and pride. So the club offers various of activities such as bar seminars, a learning session where students get to understand the deeper world of bar operations. Next is flair competition, a highly anticipated event where our members showcase their flair skills like flipping, spinning, and performing with bottles and shakers, all with rhythm and precision. Lastly is the mixology workshop. Here, students explore the creative side of bartending by crafting original cocktails, learning about ingredient pairing, and flavor balance. It's all about turning a simple drink into a form of art. Each of these activities gives our member a stage not just to perform, but also to grow. To our parents, your support means the world. To our faculty and staff, thank you for continuously believing in students' potential and innovation. The Flair Bartenders Club stood strong for 2 decades because of unity, passion, and purpose. And as we continue this journey, we remain committed to excellence, creativity, and leaving a lasting impression. One performance and one pour at a time. Once again, be Flair for passion, not for fame. Thank you and cheers to a brightful future.